How to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, you will have to add ChatGPT as a contact on WhatsApp. So let's start with it. First of all, open the WhatsApp, tap on the plus icon and tap on new contact. Then after, name the contact as ChatGPT and input the number +1 800 242 8478. Make sure to copy the exact number that is showed in the screen. Now that you have given the number, save the contact to your phone and then on WhatsApp sync. Once you have saved the contact and added it to WhatsApp as well, you can go to the WhatsApp list or tap on the search bar to search for ChatGPT. Now look for a verification logo in the chat window to confirm it's functional, and you can begin chatting with ChatGPT within the WhatsApp. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.